Get my camera ready. Okay. Hi! Hello! It's Kamala Harris! And I have something. Doritos! I love Doritos! Yum! Doritos are the best! It's my favorite snack ever. I love Doritos. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah, Doritos is my favorite snack. Doritos are very tasty. It's my favorite snack. I like them. I like it with nice and cheesy. I like it with a knack of cheese. Yum. And it's very bad. Yep. Fuck the Doritos I like. I love you, Doritos. I love you, Doritos. Yeah, come here. Come here, close you. Yeah, it's my favorite snack. Doritos are the best. I like Doritos. Doritos are so yummy. Yum. I like Doritos. Hey, Kamala. Hey, Joe. What are you laughing at so loud? Look, Joe. Doritos. Oh, Kamala. Well, look wrong with that, Joe. But you like Doritos so much. And you like chocolate chip ice cream, don't you? Yeah, I do. See? I can get my favorite game because I have Doritos. Are you gonna eat them all? What? Are you gonna eat all of them? Are you gonna eat the whole bag of Doritos? You could give me a big. Oh, come on, Joe. I'm not gonna eat them all at once, but I eat them. Who are you gonna share them with? Imagination is magic. Oh. Well, congratulations on the Doritos, Kamala. Of course. Doritos is the best. I like chocolate chip ice cream. What? I like chocolate chip ice cream. Chocolate chip ice cream is the best too. Of course. Of course. I like chocolate. Well, I like ice cream too. You like ice cream, Kamala? Oh yeah, of course I do. I like watching Doritos. Alright, well, I hope you have fun with those Doritos. Please don't get a belly. Be careful. Of course, Joe. I'll go away to get belly because of chocolate chip ice cream. Alright, fine. I'll try my best to eat all the ice cream. And I'll try my best to eat other Doritos. Okay? Please don't eat them all up. Please don't eat them all at once, okay? Please, Kamala. I know you're excited. Of course I'm excited. Doritos are the best. Now go on, Uncle Joe. Go on. Wait, what? Joe, this is my Joe, it's my time to talk. Now go on. I promise the ice cream. I'm happy. Anyway, I'm so sorry, everybody. That was Joe Biden. He's just going to come and check on me. So, yeah. Comment below what you guys think. You think I should eat the whole bag of Doritos or share them with my friends? Thank you. I love you. This is Kamala Harris. Signing off. Bye. Like the button.